Welcome, it's Denson DIY, and today we're going to be building a birdhouse.
So in this video, we're going to be taking this birdhouse out, we're going to be decorating it, and we're going to give the birds in our backyard a nice home so we can enjoy bird watching all year long. So we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this calming video as we decorate this birdhouse. And welcome to the Dad and Son community. Now the actual painting and different processes, I'm going to go ahead and speed up so that way it goes a little quicker. But we'd love to hear from you in the comments what your favorite birds are to watch at your house.
So right now, I'm going over with it. I'm just doing like a blue coat because I really like that color for the birdhouse.
Now, Son decided to wear gloves for this project to make cleanup a little easier. That's completely not necessary. However, I will say if you're doing this inside like we did, we had access to this craft paper. Make sure you put something down so that way it's not getting everywhere and you contain any messes. But this made the project a lot cleaner, a lot neater, and a lot more organized. It also helps in case there's a spill of any of the water or any of the paint directly on the floor. We decided it'd be funner to look at, and especially since we're going to be looking at this birdhouse directly from our kitchen windows, to add a few different colors and give it some, let's say, some panache or pizzazz. So let us know if you like the color combo or if you would have gone a single color. Now make sure you stick around to the end to see the finished product, including the color combination, along with the accessories that Son added, and we'll even show you to you in our yard.
So leave in the comments what color you would have made it.
To make sure we missed anything, covered all gaps, and gave it a truly bright color, we went ahead and double coated this. It also gives it better protection from the elements. So just a step you might want to take if you're doing this at home.
I added this gnome, and then I put 2 flowers next to it, and then on this side I put a bug, and then I left the rest plain. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, feel liking, subscribing, turn on notifications. Take care. Have a great day.